You that is watching this video, you don't have any excuse. If a bird could use only its beak to make its home, then you can build yourself a skyscraper. God has given you 2 hands, 2 legs, but you keep complaining. Why? My dear, get up. Make good use of your hands. Make good use of your legs. Stop begging. God has blessed you with lots of ideas. Put them to use. Don't depend on someone. Stand up and do something for yourself after viewing this bird. Thank you for your time. I want you to share, continue to like, continue to comment, and subscribe to King Emmanuel Wood TV. A try will convince you. I shall be very, very happy to see much and much of your subscription. God bless you. Twale!